I'm fucking done. I'm fucking done. I don't know how you think that's funny. I'm fucking Are you fucking serious? God damn it.
Christ. Oh.
I'm sorry, dude. Oh my God.
Oh my God. I'm gonna pee. I'm peeing a little. Oh.
God damn it. It really just does not like that side.
Oh
That's
my
the same side I shot last time.
Oh my God. Oh, I fucking hope it got that. I really fucking hope it got that. It's kind of like, yeah, that should be pretty. Yeah, that should be pretty close to in frame. I don't know.
God damn.
Oh my God.
I
don't know why I'm laughing, but
dude, I'm sorry. That fucking holy shit.
That's awesome.
In retrospect, hey, it's very accurate.
Oh yeah.
Just completely severed it in half.
That concludes our testing phase. Oh my God. Oh, that's good. Hey, it aired out. Oh my God.
Oh, we're gonna live that one down now. Remember that time?
Oh no!
That time you shot my chrono? Remember that? Remember that? Yeah, I remember it. I remember watching a piece of my chrono fly 20 feet in the air.
Oh yeah, no, hey, don't worry about that, buddy. It's only on YouTube. I only got like 50 fucking subscribers. You got nothing to worry about.
Yeah, fuck you.
But when I shrink that down to a little fucking 15-second blurb of me laughing my ass off and you blowing the shit out of my chrono, post it on Facebook.
Oh,
that's when it's gonna get really good.
You're a fucking dick. Who would do that? You just let me live it down.
That's awesome.
You should put the GoPro on that thing, man. Doesn't that mount?
Jesus, you know what? I don't know. Let's find out.
Because I thought it came with a...
Well, it might have like another mount. Yeah, see, it doesn't. You'd have to have a special.
Yeah, true.
A special mount for it, I think.
Oh well.
But there might. I mean, there probably is one for a tripod.
Other way.
I kind of want to get like a little thing.
Like the
Or even better, get one that's like right under my beard so that they get like gunpowder and flash and then like
sweaty hair.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is it raining? Nope, it's just really hot.
I know.
It's really hot.
I started laughing too hard and I worked up a sweat.
On the flip side, there's still 5 rounds to shoot in that same bunch. You wanna let some of that beautifulness go?
Oh, hey. You got to finish what you started there.
Oh, now I get to not only be the one that blew up the chrono, but I get to be the one that misses the target every time. Fuck you.
Well, I fucking sent like 7 or 8 fucking rounds down there and hit it twice. So.
It almost makes me feel better about that. But not really.
Well, hey, almost is all right. God, just listen to that fucking. Just fucking greatness.
Whew. Well, nothing's destroyed. Plus note here.
I mean, what range trip that includes 44s would be complete without a visit
from the Wesson?
Dan Wesson.
From the
Smith & Wesson. Dan Wesson.
Actually, where's the camera? Let's get some of that fireball.
Oh, yes.
This thing's the one that fucking throws it. This is the 454.
Yeah.
It would be kind of cool to get like a point of view cam or something to get a mount for it.
Yeah, it would be great. You should get a shot of that sun too, because that's just fucking cool looking.
Even the sun is sad that I shot the chrono.
Just a bright orange basketball floating down in a blue sky.
You see it this morning? Same thing. Fucking
Really?
just bright ass red this morning.
Oh, yeah, I didn't see that at all. All right. me not hit it?
There you go.
Oh, all right. So that would put my point of aim.
Ah!
All right. I know exactly where my point of aim on this gun is. At 2 o'clock, I'm going to hit the bullseye. 4! you better try this though. This thing is fucking great. Now, you know, I'm gonna have to do some clever editing.
The little flag fly out the end.
Yeah. Put it right at 2 o'clock.
Uh-oh. That's not good.
There you go.
One of these. So one of these was the one that didn't get shot.
Well,
There we go.
oh
Oh, it got stuck.
yeah.
Not anymore.
Yeah. You went backwards.
It did.
There you go.
No, it's stuck.
Shouldn't be stuck.
There we go. It's stuck. It's not cycling.
Nah. That's weird.
You want to try it again?
Let me see. Wonderful gun.
Hold on.
That was pretty nice, except for those two ridiculous flyers that are like way the fuck over there.
Yeah. That was 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, I only missed one.
Yeah, well, you know. My finger,
try this.
by the way.
Let's try this a little bit better. Still fucking pissed about that. I don't know how you. I'm glad you're taking it better than me, because I feel like a fucking
Because,
schmo.
buddy, I think it's fucking hilarious. Poof, 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 poof. I gotta fire this thing some more. Yeah, so now I'm kind of looking at holsters for this thing right now. I don't know.
For the. Oh, yeah, gotcha.
Yeah, for the toy soldier gun.
For the what?
It feels like a toy.
It does,
The
but
bullets weigh more than this gun does.
actually it does. It probably doubles the weight just by loading it up.
It's awesome.
Here, you want me to hold it?
That don't matter to me. Double action. I will never get tired of this. Lovely.
It's got to be kind of scary driving by this place.
Uh-huh.
Got to be kind of.
Oh, yeah. People are probably like, Jesus, balls. Like, no, fuck that. That's awesome. That's just a fucking bag of Mr. Incredible right there. I just don't get tired of doing that. Ever.
Noticed.
Lovely scandium frame. Yeah. No, man, this fucking A. This thing is just nice. But you know what else I brought? Well, here, let's get a little bit of this delicious 40 caliber goodness. I like it.
Does the trick. 7 rounds goes really quick. That's not even.
Yeah, like that's the best part. You have a 40 caliber fucking like 7 rounds. You know what? I'm fine with 6.
Well, I'm just saying. I mean, let's compare sizes here.
Oh yeah,
I mean-
let's. I mean, well, you know, granted, Yeah, they're about the same. Yeah, I
It's
mean,
like the fucking
you know,
child of one of these.
it
This is like a
is-
teenage parent.
it is a little bit smaller, but yours weighs more, which
is
just
funny.
makes me laugh.
'Cause
Like,
this-
that's just hilarious.
And really, the only thing that's heavy is that barrel.
Yeah,
That's the whole, out of everything else.
yeah.
If you were to put a shorter barrel on it, it wouldn't weigh hardly anything.
Oh, yeah. No, but I like 4-inch. 4-inch is good.
Oh, it's a good barrel. I'm just saying, like, that's really the only thing that's adding any extra weight to it.
Right. But you do realize what else I brought out here, don't you?
What? Shit, son. Nice.
You ain't been out here with this one yet, have you?
No. When did you pick that up?
Shit, I got this a long time ago, guy.
Really?
7744.
Nice.
Tubular magazine.
Tubular.
Totally tubular. I had. See, that's why I was doing the chrono, is because I figured we could test some of them coming out of the fucking rifle
I know.
as well.
I shot your chrono. I'm sorry.
I'm not sorry at all.
You're gonna slow mo that down. You're gonna tag me in, and then you're
I
gonna
don't-
post it to everybody I know. Aren't
You're
you?
the one with the smartphone. I can't control this thing. I can turn it on and I can
You
let the
can't
button
slow mo
run.
down. Once you download it, you should be able to, shouldn't you?
Maybe. I don't know.
You should be able to.
Right? Have you ever seen any of my videos? My editing skills are like cut and paste.
I guess the job.